Today I am going to have high tea or tea time at the Hyatt here in Busan. So that's going to be really fun. I've been wanting to do like a nice kind of, not fancy, but kind of fancy. I've been wanting to do like a nice, kind of elegant activity for a while. So I think that's going to be fun. The last time I did high tea was in Morocco, which I actually really miss it now, at the Royal Mansour, which is one of the most fancy, luxurious hotels in Morocco. It's owned by the king. It is friggin' gorgeous. Look it up, it's gorgeous. But I had high tea there, and it was amazing. So we'll see how this one goes. I'm meeting up my friend. Her name is Michelle, and we're gonna have like a nice girl chat. I forgot. We're going to the Busan Museum of Art. My friend told me that they have free admission until sometime in September. And it looks super cool, like very interactive. They have some really cool like digital displays and optical illusions. So I'm excited to check that out. I have moved my vacation 3 times already. I was first planning to have it in July 14th. Then there was a hurricane or a typhoon, so I had to cancel that. Then I moved it to August 14th. Guess what? Another hurricane, a typhoon. And then I had to move it again to September 4th. It's predicted to be raining. I don't even care anymore. Like, I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna go. This is also like the very end of the summer. I'm not gonna go there when it's cold. I want to be able to swim there and enjoy it. The only downside is that Jeju has moved up to a higher level of restrictions. Some of them don't affect me because I'm by myself, so there's no limit. I don't need to limit how many people I'm with. But the only thing I'm worried about is the beaches. I really hope they don't close the beaches. Which to me I think is kind of ridiculous to close the beach. Like, you're outside. Jeju Island, which is where I'm going first, it is known as the Hawaii of Korea. Yeah, so I am so excited. I've heard so many wonderful things about it. A lot of people say it's like their favorite place in Korea. It's just a great vacation spot. I'm gonna fly there. It's super short flight, super cheap flight. I think it was like $20 to fly there. So I'm gonna stay 4 nights there, and then after that I'm gonna go to Gyeongju, which is like a more traditional place. Kind of like Gyeongju. I love Gyeongju because it has traditional Korean houses. Unfortunately, as I said in one of my videos, all of the footage got erased off of my SD card. I'm still grieving over that. But hopefully I will be able to like capture it and show it to you guys, because I think it's gonna be beautiful. So I'm gonna finish my makeup here. Like, I wanna be able to leave in about 15 minutes. So catch me later. I gotta quickly capture this. I'm going up 30 floors. Oh, it took way faster than I thought. Just wanted to pop on here and say that me and Michelle got so lucky with our seats. We got a corner seat, which means that not only did we get views in front of us, we also got views on the side as well. So that was amazing. We saw on the front and on the right side. And if you're curious about the prices, there was a summer special going on. I'm not exactly sure what the normal prices are, but for this one, it was 80,000 won for 2 people, which is somewhere around $70 for 2 people. so nice.
Lovely.
Sugar, milk, and sugar syrup.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So pretty.
I know. This music is like adding to the vibe.
Isn't it?
What is this?
Yeah, probably it's loose leaf, so.
So I have the cold tea. Oh, I guess this would be a refill.
Yeah.
Yeah, this would be a refill.
All right, let's do a cheers.
Yes.
Oh, it looks like I'm epileptic. I know that there was some kind of shellfish.
And strawberry scone, and coated cream, strawberry jam, and butter.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Shrimp or lobster?
Lobster, and
Wait, this is lobster?
in jelly and lobster.
Okay.
I wish you could have left the list,
Yeah.
you know, of all the things. These are all so cute.
My sister would be in.
I'm gonna just try one. I wonder if I just slide it into my mouth.
This is our present. So two,
Wow,
same flavor. And
so cute.
Thank you so much.
So cute.
Adorable.
And here I can have some extra tea.
People are still masked, right?
Yeah, we both now. But two of her co-workers got COVID at the same time. Three of them have COVID together.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't. And I complain and dismiss it, then I keep on reminiscing. I know, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad, baby you're bad for business, baby you're bad.
Ooh, this is zoomed in. There we go. We're gonna zoom out now. lovely. The weather is so nice. I'm getting my vitamin D that I never get during the week because of my job. Because of my crazy hours. This is so gorgeous and it's so windy. So you definitely get that like beachy, breezy feel, and it's not too hot, it's not humid. It is perfect. Absolutely perfect. The only thing about the climate here is it's very rainy a lot. Yeah, it rains quite a bit. So these kind of days, you just really want to just soak them in, enjoy them as much as you can, and appreciate them. You just feel so happy when it doesn't rain. Well, it's also the rainy season, you know, so there's a little bit less rainy days after this monsoon kind of rainy season goes away, but this is absolutely lovely. I'm so happy right now. I haven't felt this happy and free in a while. I also slept, so that makes a big difference. Sleeping is good. Can you zoom in, like, to show this? It almost looks like Morse code.
Looks like a ticker tape to me.
Do you want to try?